Morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. And once again, you all welcome back in GK video. And this is my second video of this week. And children, in this video, you all are going to read the new chapter, chapter 41. And in this chapter, children, by the asking questions, yes, by the asking questions, you all are going to get the different information. Like the question pattern is here, tick the correct answer. Yes, here it will be given the options and which is the correct option you all have to tick. So without wasting a time, let's start. Like first one is here, the Taj Mahal is at Agra or Delhi. You all know children, Taj Mahal is at Agra. Okay, and also it is the seventh wonder of the world and it was built by the Shah Jahan. So here is asking the Taj Mahal is at Agra. And what do you know about the Delhi children? Yes, you can see here is also picture of Lotus Temple and India Gate. These all are in Delhi. Okay children, it is situated in Delhi. Lotus Temple is in Delhi and India Gate is in Delhi. But Taj Mahal is at Agra. Okay, now next one is here. Come to the next. The place where fish are kept. Yes, what will call? Aquarium or zoo? Yes children, what? Aquarium, which is the correct? Aquarium, spelling AQUARIUM, aquarium. And also children, aquarium teach kids about nature and caring for one, help them learning responsibility. Understood children? On about the zoo. Zoo is also what? Zoo is a place, but no, and known as zoo is also known as botanic or zoological park or garden. It is a place. It is also a place where all types of animals display for the public to see. But here is the place of fish. So you all have to speak the aquarium. The place where fish are kept, aquarium, and zoo is a place where what? All types of animals, all types of wild animals, birds, okay, pet animals are displayed for public to see. So but here is asking aquarium, what? The place where fish are kept are called aquarium. Now next one is here. Come to the next. Tomato is a fruit, but used as a fruit or vegetable. You all know children, tomato used as a vegetable. Yes, vegetable, vegetable, vegetable. And vegetables are very important source of many nutrients. And here is asking what? Tomato is a fruit but used as a vegetable. So which is the correct? Vegetable. Understood children? And also it is, yes, it is a fruit that are considered vegetable by the nutritionist botanically. Okay everyone? Now so next, come to the next. Next question is here. Next is here. Which is an aeroplane? A jet or a weight? So what you will say children? First you should know about the weight. What do you mean by weight? V-E-T. Weight. V-E-T. So children, weight. Weight is the doctor of animals. Weight is the doctor of animals, known as called veterinary doctor. Okay children, in short we say vet. Okay, but jet aircraft is an aircraft. Okay children, so here is asking which is an aeroplane. So you all have to say the jet aircraft is an aircraft propelled by the jet engine. Okay, in this children. Now come to the next. So jet is a correct option. Now next one is here. What do you need to fly a kite? Wind or rain? Children, you all know children, you all like to fly kite. So if wind will be not blow, then what will be happen? You will be not able to fly a kite. So what you all need? Yes, you all need wind. W-I-N-D, wind. And also you all know children, a kite is made of paper. They fly high in the air end of the long string. So they need, yes children, kite need wind, not rain. And you all know children uses of rain. So here is which is the correct option? Wind, W-I-N-D, wind. Now come to the next. What came first? The abacus, the calculator. What do you know, children? Yes, the option is first the abacus. And also you all know, children, abacus is the consist of wooden frame. It is the consist of wooden frame, beads. Each rod represent a what different place value. Okay, children. So but and also about the calculator, and it also on earlier also it is used as a calculator for calculating, but nowadays used for calculation used a calculator. But here is asking what came first. So earlier it was using that what abacus. So what you all have to do, which is the correct? Abacus, spelling ABACUS. Now come to the next. The gateway of India is in Delhi or Mumbai? You all know, children, what gateway of India? Gateway, it is the famous monuments of Mumbai. Yes, it is the famous monument of Mumbai, and also it was built by the government of India. And here is asking gateway of India is in Mumbai. It is a famous monument of the Mumbai. And okay, children. Now next. The snake doesn't have visible tongues or ears. You can see, is it visible ears? No. So which is the correct? So the snake doesn't have visible ears. EARS, ears. And also, children, it has a what? It has a forked tongues, and which they flick a different direction to smell their surrounding. So they have tongues, but they have not visible ears. Now next. Which grows under the ground, the root or the stem? As you can see in this picture, under the ground is here roots, ROOTS, roots. So which is the correct option? The root. And also, children, roots are the different what root is the lifeline of plants, taking up air, water and nutrients from soil. Taking up air, water and nutrients from soil. It is called the lifeline of plants. And about the stem, children, stem, the primary function of stems stem are the support the leaves. Okay, support the leaves to conduct water and minerals. Okay, children. So here is asking which grows under the ground. So what you all have to say? The root. Next one is here. Which one is a flower? A lion or a dandelion? Children, what you all have to see? First you should know about you all know, children, lion. Lion is a wild animal. It is a wild animals. Okay, it is very dangerous for us, and also it is called the king of the jungle. But here is asking which one is the flower. So which is the correct option? Dandelion. Dandelion is the what? It is a kind of flower. It is a flower. And also, children, its seeds are like a little parachute that flies away with the wind. Okay, children. So dandelion is a flower. So now after, children, these are the take the correct option. Now, children, one more question you all are going to do in this video. Who am I? You all will guess, okay, about this. So let's start. First one is here. I am very big. I am very big. I am known as the big and heavy. Its weight is also heavy, and also I am known as the largest animal on land. So now say, who am I? Yes, what will you say? Elephant. Elephant is a very big, heavy and known as the largest animal on land. Largest, it is the largest animal, and its long nose called trunk. Understood, children? So which is the correct? Say who. Here is asking, say, now you say who am I? So what you all have to say? Elephant. Spelling of elephant, ELEPHANT. Elephant is a very big and heavy animal. It is also known as the largest animal on land, and its nose is called a trunk. So what will you write here? Elephant. Now come to the second number. I am a park equipment. Children can sit. Children can sit, as you can see in this picture. Children can sit and swing up and down on me. So say, who am I? You all have to say what? It is a kind of what? Park equipment. Okay. Children, they used to play on it. So what will you say? Seesaw. SEESAW. Seesaw is the park equipment, and you all sit and swing up and down. So what will you say? Seesaw. Now come to the next, children. I am made of white marble. Okay, and I am situated in Agra, and now in this video already I have told you, children, and it was built by the Shah Jahan. So say, who am I? Again this question is asking. So what will you speak? The Taj Mahal. TAJ, Taj, MAHAL, Mahal. Taj Mahal is made up of white marble, and it is in Agra. Now come to the next. I am a vegetable, and it is also called a eggplant, and I am purple in color, and also I have a crown. It look like a crown on its head. So what will you say? Yes, as you also you can see this picture. This is a picture of brinjal. Spelling of brinjal: BRINJAL. BRINJAL. Brinjal is a vegetable. It is purple in color, and it has crown on its head. And also, children, what another name of brinjal is? Eggplant. Now come to the next. Next one is here. I am a big ball of fire, and I am too far from you. And also what it we get? What? Light. Okay, so which say, guess who am I? Here is saying I am a big ball of fire. Yes, you are telling correct. Sun. Sun is a what? Big ball of fire, and it is too far from us. So children, what will you write here? Sun. SUN, sun. Okay. Now I am sharp pointed object. Okay, and people use me to cut fruits and vegetable. So children, say, what is this? What will you say? Yes, knife. Knife is a sharp pointed object, and people, they use to cut the vegetable and fruits. So here you will say what knife? KNIFE, knife. Understood, children? So now next, I am a tool used to dig the ground. Yes, used to dig the ground. So now you can say, this next picture is here. What? It is also a tool, and it is used to dig the ground. So which is that? Yes, this is called a spade. SPADE, spade. Spade is a tool which is used to dig the ground. Now next one is here. Here is, I am the tool of carpenters, and they use me to cut wood. What will you say, children? Which type of tools they use to cut the woods? This is the picture of handsaw. HAND, hand. SAW, saw. Handsaw is the tool of carpenters, and they use to cut the woods. Okay, and they make different sizes. So here is the picture of handsaw. Now next, I am the religious symbol of Hindu. So which is the religious symbol of Hindu, children? What will you say? Om. AUM. Om. Om is the religious symbol of Hindu, children. And also know, Hindus go to temple for worship, and their holy book name is the Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad Gita. Understood? Now next one is here, and it is last. I am a plant eater. Yes, I am a plant eater, animal and people call me sheep of the desert? What will you say? Yes, camel. Camel is a plant eater animal, and children, it is called the sheep of the desert. Understood, children? So now this is the picture of camel. So with hope, children, whatever I have explained in this video, okay, I have explained two type of question pattern. First one was what, tick the correct option. Second was what, who am I, guess who am I. So with hope, children, you all have understood very nicely. So at last, once again, I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a good day and wonderful day. Bye bye.